guys, welcome back to the channel. So happy Canada Day. Today we're actually celebrating Canada Day at a seniors complex here. I hope I'm saying this right. St. Angela Seniors Home. And they got a lot of stuff going on here. I see a lady in stilts. I see a guy on a unicycle. They're handing out ice cream and lemonade and different things. There's a lot of cars to look at. So I'll walk you around and I'll show you what showed up here today. Some neat ones. Of course, some of the regular guys, some of the regular Shifters members are here. Kelvin's here with the 62 Chrysler. That's 440 long Rams. He's got the hood closed right now. It's a 3-speed standard, and that's how it was from the factory on the floor. This is not a push button. Typically, you'd see these as a push button automatic. And that one is not. It's unique. Rare car. Donna's 80 Z28 Camaro. That's got a new engine in it this year. 383 stroker, 4-speed car. The 350 got yanked out and sent down the road. And they got a brand new 383 stroker. It makes a lot more power. It actually is a hybrid as well. It burns rubber and gasoline. Nice car. I like the silver interior with the blue exterior. This is Tim's 49 Chevy. The famous truck signed by Steve Darnell and Lisa Moen. It's got some neat pinstripe work on. I've never pointed that out before. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just a nice clean truck on the inside, and he's left it all patina on the outside. And if I remember correctly, that box, he matched that box to the cab in the front end. He did not have a box with it when he bought the truck. Yeah, and lowered it and did all the work. There's 327 in there. I brought my 68 Chevelle. Hopefully the music and stuff they've got going on here doesn't interfere with the audio. Next to me is Glenn's lowered Harley Davidson truck. That's a nice deal.
I can't even talk today. Thank you so much for helping us make this day. There you go.
I got to show you Paul's 57. This is a award winner. Award winner car in the Dragons Car Show. Took a first there. I believe it took a first in the Rad Lads Car Show as well.
Wow, look at who.
This is a Mustang convertible. I'm not sure the owner of this one. I've never seen this one. And there's a lady on stilts here. That's crazy. A lot of neat stuff going on here.
Our home and native land, true patriot love in our sons of man.
I'm going to keep going here. They're singing "Oh Canada." Rogers 58. This is a 348 tri-power car. Nice Monte Carlo SS, new to me. Ah, 46 Ford. This one gets around to a lot of events. Saw it here at the last year Canada Day celebration in this very spot, actually. Nice, mostly original looking car. This is Joe's GT convertible. This is a pretty black Mustang convertible, black on black. GTA. Next to a couple of several late model Mustangs here, all of them convertibles. It's a 45th anniversary one. got to watch that music there. George's 78 Trans Am and Holger's Mercedes, beautiful Mercedes. This fella with, what is it, Bradley? Bradley. I hope I'm saying that right. This is his El Camino, 80 El Camino. I like the contrast in the seats there, the two different tones. Just pretty. Done really well. And 36 Chevy by the look of it. This one looks, oh, it's a Ford, pardon me. 36 Ford. That's a pretty car. Looks good with the wires on it. I think we got them all, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Happy Canada Day. I'll see you guys next time.